Hello guys, so in this video we will be working with a Roman to integer question from Leetcode. So this is basically we will be given a string of Roman characters and we have to convert that string into an integer. So if you look, this is the problem statement. If you want, you can pause this video here and go through this problem statement. Let me go straight to an example. So if you see in this example, vi, that is it's 5, then 1 is subtracted from 5, that is 4. Similarly, x is 10, I comes after x. If we move from right side to left side, I comes from after x, so I will be reduced from x. So this is a similar pattern whenever you are going through a string. So what I will be doing is, whenever I find a low value character at the left side of the Roman character, I will subtract that from the sum that I have been calculating it. So for example, if you see in this example, this is v is 5. To make sure that you understand, this is we will be traversing from right to left. So I will first take the v as number, that is 5. We will start with the number 5 and we will start iterating the string from I to I and then onwards to the left. So if you see that v in this mapping is 5 and that is greater than I. So if v is greater than I, we will subtract I from the current number. But if it is not greater, we will just add it to the number. So this is let's get to it. I have already created this dictionary here. You can create the same as well. Now let's start coding. As I mentioned, I'll start the number with the last character. So I'm assuming that s will not be an empty string, but we can take if s is empty, we can return 0 like this. So number will be s, we will have to mapping then s of I. So last character will be taken as -1. Alright, now since we are looping from the end, I'll do it like this for I in reversed range length of s, and since I already took this value, we do -1 here. Alright, now as I mentioned, if mapping s of I plus 1 is greater than mapping s of I, that is, so I'm starting from the end, right, and end -1. So I'm basically starting from I here, as I mentioned earlier, and the number is already 5. So right now I will be at I, and I will check if I in the mapping has lower value than v. So in the mapping I have I equal to 1 and v equal to 5. So I is 1, I is less than 5. So what I do, I'll reduce that value from number minus equal to mapping s of I, else if it is greater or equal, we just add it, number plus equal to mapping of s of I, and that's about it. Return number. So this is Roman to integer Leetcode question. Let's run it first. Finish 3 accepted. Alright, so this is the final code for Roman to integer Leetcode question. Thank you guys.